What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Lincoln Navigator remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2020 to 2026 Lincoln Navigator, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2450. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement key batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob, and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and if we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this slot right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. What I'm going to do is take my key and push it in that slot like that. Then I'm just going to angle up and push up on this back cover and pop that back cover off. And that can take a good amount of pressure to pop that off, especially if the cover's never been off before. But once we get that cover off, we see our battery right here. For this part, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver or even something with a point on it will do. You just want it to fit down in this notch right here. So get down in this little notch and you can get on the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Get our old battery out, then we'll grab our new replacement battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing the new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. I'm going to tuck that outer edge in first like that, then snap it down into place. Then we'll put the back cover on. And if you notice on the top of this back cover, there's that little tab right there. That's what I'm going to start in first. Slide the top in like that. Then snap the back cover down. Slide the key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.